3.
Thank you, Mum, for all your hugs, all your hugs, all your hugs. Thank you, Mum, for all your hugs. They feel good to me. Thank you, Mum, for all your kisses, all your kisses, all your kisses. Thank you, Mum, for all your kisses. They feel good to me. Thank you, Mum, for all my love, all my love, all my life. Thank you, Mum, for all my love. They feel good to me.
Love you. Yay! That was really cool, Nicholas. I really like that.
Thank you, Mum.
Is that for my Mother's Day? Is that Happy Mother's Day?
Yep.
That's
And we're going to do that on assembly.
on Thursday.
Yeah.
Cool. I might not be there because I'll be at work, but thank you very much for giving it to me now. It's a very special present.